Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to create this beautiful moonlight beach painting using only a few simple colors. The best part is that you don't need a huge collection of paints. Even if you're a complete beginner, you can easily follow along. So grab your gouache colors, your sketchbook, or canvas, and let's paint together. For this painting, I'll mainly use ultramarine blue, white, and just a tiny amount of Prussian blue at the end. It's amazing how much depth and atmosphere you can create with such a limited color palette. That's one of the reasons I love gouache painting so much. Let's start with the ocean. I'm loading my brush with ultramarine blue and applying it across the lower section of the paper. At this stage, don't worry about making everything perfect. Just focus on covering the area evenly with smooth horizontal brush strokes. Now I'm mixing a little white into the ultramarine blue. This instantly creates a softer, lighter shade. I'll blend this lighter color into the middle section of the sea. Notice how the gentle transition already makes the water look more realistic. Small changes in color can completely transform a painting. One thing I really enjoy about gouache is how forgiving it is. If you don't like a section, simply let it dry for a moment and paint over it. That makes gouache one of the best mediums for beginners who want to practice without feeling stressed. Next, I'll mix a little more white into the same blue. This creates an even lighter shade. I'll use it close to the horizon where the ocean naturally reflects more light. By using different values of the same color instead of many different colors, we can still create beautiful depth and dimension. Now let's move to the sky. Once again, I'm starting with ultramarine blue. I always enjoy using the same color for both the sky and the sea because it creates a calm, harmonious look. I'll paint the upper part of the sky first using the darker blue. As I move downward, I'll gradually add white to the paint. This soft gradient helps create the feeling of moonlight spreading across the sky. There's no need to rush here. Slow, gentle blending always gives the best results. You might be surprised that we're using almost the same colors for both the sky and the ocean. That's the beauty of color values. A single blue can create many different moods simply by adding a little white. If you're painting along with me, don't worry if your version looks different. Every painting is unique, and that's what makes handmade art so special. Enjoy the process instead of chasing perfection. Now, the basic background is complete, and it's already starting to look like a peaceful beach scene. I started by lightly sketching the sailboat to get the basic shape right. Then I painted the boat with white gouache to make it stand out against the blue ocean. For the clean border, I used Scotch tape instead of masking tape because it works really well on a canvas pad and peels off cleanly without any issues. Sometimes, simple tools are all you need to create a neat and satisfying painting.